Hello, what's up, and welcome, guys. This is your DK here with a cool Python tip to stay online 24/7. For this, we need a package named PyAutoGui. Let's install the package using pip install PyAutoGui. I think already have the package installed, so I think it will show the requirement already satisfied message. Okay, now I'm gonna automate using a three-line piece of line. Let's import PyAutoGui. Okay, and I'm gonna write a simple while loop, while true, auto give dot move rel 0 comma 10 comma duration is like how much seconds it is, so I'm gonna give 1 second. For 1 second the mouse is gonna move from x coordinate 0 to the y coordinate 10, and let me run it. You can see my code is started to run and my cursor is moving downwards, and you can stay online and show your friends that you are working 24/7. Happy learning and have a great weekend.